Best types of gold coins to buy for investment. Gold coins come in many different sizes, designs, grades, and each have their own unique advantages and disadvantages. In this video, we will provide an overview of the various types of investment grades, popular gold coins available, size considerations, premiums and storage, calculating value, and purchase options available. See the link in the video description to read the full article. Also, I will share 2 sound gold investing options, each with their own unique advantages. Be sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss them. Not all coins are suitable investments. Some have higher investment premiums due to additional minting costs or other factors. It's important to consider the quality and rarity of each coin before investing. Popular gold coins include American Gold Buffalo, Gold American Eagle, Canadian Gold Maple Leaf, South African Cougaran, Austrian Gold Philharmonic, Gold Britannia, Gold Somalian Elephant, Australian Gold Kangaroo, and Chinese Golden Panda. Be sure to stay to the end where we will cover the best 6 gold bullion coins to invest in. 1 ounce is the most popular size among gold investors due to its liquidity and flexibility. However, gold bars are better for investors with larger budgets since they have lower premiums compared to gold coins. However, gold coins offer a more compact form that can be stored in safes or smaller boxes. The value of any pure gold coin is calculated by multiplying its weight or gold content by the current price of gold in that currency at any given time. This makes it an easy, trackable asset class. When investing in physical gold, it's also important to factor in additional costs, such as premiums, storage, and insurance fees. Knowing the investment grade is essential for making profitable investments. To ensure you're buying quality gold coins, it's important to consider their condition, weight, purity, and mintage. Here's a closer look at what makes an investment grade gold coin. Gold coins should be uncirculated or in near perfect condition. Any signs of wear and tear can significantly reduce the value of the coin. Again, the most popular size among gold investors is the 1 ounce. However, there are many other sizes available, such as the half ounce and quarter ounce gold coins. The value of the gold coin is determined by multiplying its weight or gold content by the current market price. Most gold bullion coins have a purity level of 0.999, which means they have 99.9% pure gold. This ensures that your investment will maintain its value over time. The purer forms of gold are more resistant to tarnishing or depreciation from natural elements. Also, be sure to check the mintage year before investing. The newer the mintage year, the more likely you'll see an increase in value over time due to the rarity and uniqueness associated with modern minting processes compared to older processes. The popularity of certain designs can also affect their worth, so it pays to know which designs are trending in various markets before investing in them for long-term gains. When it comes to gold coins, size matters. Again, the popular 1 ounce gold coin can easily be stored in a safe or a smaller box, while larger bars are better for investors with bigger budgets and larger storage. Gold coins also come in varying designs and sizes that add collectability and increase demand from buyers. However, potential investors should keep in mind that short-term prices of gold can change quite quickly, hourly and daily. There are also 1 gram sizes of gold coins available if you are looking to invest in an even more modest way. However, premiums of these smaller gold coins can be a bit higher than their 1 ounce counterparts. A premium is a markup charged by the dealer over the spot price of gold. The size of the premium depends on the rarity and condition of the coin. Storage charges can also add up if you don't store your coins securely, so it's important to choose a security option such as a safe, bank deposit box, or a trusted third-party depository. When choosing a secure storage option, make sure it meets the insurance requirements for theft or fire protection and has adequate security measures in place. Best 6 gold coins to buy for investment. American Gold Eagle. The American Gold Eagle is one of the most recognized gold coins worldwide. It contains 1 troy ounce of gold and is backed by the United States government. These coins are highly liquid and easily traded. Canadian Gold Maple Leaf. The Canadian Gold Maple Leaf is another popular choice among investors. Produced by the Royal Canadian Mint, these coins are known for their purity and fine craftsmanship. They also come in various denominations, such as 1 ounce, half ounce, quarter ounce, and 1/10 ounce. South African Cougaran. The South African Cougaran was the first modern gold bullion coin introduced in 1967. It contains exactly 1 troy ounce of gold and is alloyed with copper for added durability. Cougarans are widely recognized and traded internationally. Australian Gold Kangaroo. Produced by the Perth Mint, the Australian Gold Kangaroo, previously known as the Gold Nugget, is a popular choice for investors. These coins feature iconic Australian wildlife designs and come in various sizes, including 1 ounce, half ounce, 1/4 ounce, 1/10 ounce, and 1/20 ounce. Chinese Gold Panda. The Chinese Gold Panda is issued by the People's Republic of China and is known for its annually changing designs featuring pandas. These coins come in different sizes, ranging from 1 ounce to 1/20th ounce. Note, prior to 2016, the Chinese Golden Panda coins followed the metric system rather than the troy ounce. British Gold Britannia. British Gold Britannia is a popular choice for investors due to its historical significance and beautiful design. These coins are produced by the Royal Mint and contain 1 troy ounce of gold. They are also legal tender in the United Kingdom. When investing in gold coins, you clearly want a trusted source that you have built a solid relationship with. Options can range from a dealer, a pawn shop, or an online store. However, the best choice by far is a professional gold investment company that have an established track record within the industry. Gold IRAs provide additional benefits compared to merely buying gold from a local dealer. These companies can provide access to competitive prices, transparency, price match guarantees, a sound buyback policy, reliable customer service, and robust security and protection of your precious metals. See the links in the video description to find the right gold IRA company for you. A common objection to holding gold is the opportunity cost of gaining yields elsewhere, such as bonds or high-quality equities. Monetary Metals is a gold investment company that unlocks the productivity of gold by offering a yield on gold paid in gold. Monetary Metals delivers interest on gold through the company's gold fixed income investment products, which aim to provide a fixed return with low risk of loss. This provides investors exposure to gold's unique attributes, plus a real yield that grows total gold ounces held by the investor. To learn more about Monetary Metals investment products and get started today, see the link in the video description. To sum it all up, now you know the best types of gold coins that are available for purchase, their advantages and disadvantages, and how to calculate their value. With careful considerations of premiums, storage options, size specifications, and quality standards, you are able to select the right gold coin for your investment needs. Thank you for watching.